If you're considering moving to Raleigh and buying a new home, then I've got a brand new option for you in one of Raleigh's top suburbs that you absolutely need to know about. Today, I'm giving you an exclusive look at The Point in Rolesville, which is a massive new master plan community that's just a few minutes north of Raleigh. We're going to check out a couple of the new homes that are being built over here, in addition to a few of the on-site amenities. Plus, as a bonus, we're going to travel about 8 minutes away from The Point over to downtown Rolesville, where we're going to check out what's recently opened up at Rolesville's new downtown centerpiece of Cobblestone Village. Hey guys, Michael Sanders here, your native Raleigh Realtor. So over in the top Raleigh suburb of Rolesville, this Ashton Woods development is finally moving from blueprint to reality. I've covered this development since its inception nearly 5 years ago, and it's so cool to actually see some new homes finally going up. The Point offers both single family homes, and eventually they're going to have some townhomes over here from two of the builders that are under the Ashton Woods umbrella, Ashton Woods and its subsidiary, Starlight Homes, with designs ranging from 1,400 square feet all the way up to over 3,500 square feet. Location-wise, the town of Rolesville is absolutely booming right now. It's actually one of the fastest growing towns in all of North Carolina. The cool thing about it is you're getting the small town charm of Rolesville, but it's just a quick drive away from everything in nearby Raleigh. You're actually only about 30 minutes from downtown Raleigh. Guys, this community is literally designed to have something for everybody. If you want a townhome to minimize maintenance, you're eventually going to have it over here. If you want a ranch style home with everything on one level, you're also going to get it over here. Need a spacious 2-story home for your growing family? You're also going to find it over here. The price points over here go all the way from entry level all the way up to luxury. We're talking about homes that are going to start in the 330s all the way up to the mid to high 500s. And get this, Ashton Woods was named the Builder of the Year by Builder Magazine back in 2023. Ashton Woods is a really top quality builder, especially for a national builder that's building tons of homes. Let's dive into the Ashton Woods signature homes first. They're offering 8 different home plans over here with some really nice flexibility. If you're someone you need 3 to 6 bedrooms, they've got it. 2 to 5 full bathrooms, they're going to have it over here. And you're going to be able to get a ranch plan starting at around 1,600 square feet, all the way up to the huge Caroline model, which is over 3,500 square feet. Prior to the grand opening over here, I got a sneak peek inside a couple of these homes that are still currently under construction. These homes are going to have everything buyers would expect. Gorgeous kitchen islands, beautiful open concept layouts, and some fantastic primary suites. Now check this out. I got to tour the Odyssey model by Starlight Homes. Stepping inside, you immediately get this really open feel. The kitchen, dining room, and the living spaces all flow pretty seamlessly together. The thing I really like about this Odyssey plan is it feels a lot bigger than 1,400 square feet because of the way the layout is designed. And here's the real kicker. Pricing on these Starlight homes is going to run from around $341 to up to around the mid 360s. When you look at it, that's only about $197 per square foot when compared to the Wake County median price of $237 a square foot for something of similar design and construction. That's a $40 per square foot savings. Oh, check this out. If you're an investor, after the grand opening over here, my sources are telling me that there's going to be a limited number of investment opportunities within the Starlight section. They're going to even have special financing for investors. It's really rare to find in today's market. Guys, if you want more information on this, just give me a call. I specialize in investor new construction opportunities. I'll give you the full scoop. Amenity-wise, right now over here in what's now this big empty spot by the road near the entrance of the community is going to be the future resort-style pool. They're going to have an expansive sun deck for lounging. There's also going to be a full amenity center over here. Oh, also, there's going to be a ton of woodline walking trails already built over here that meander throughout the entire community. These trails are going to eventually connect with the regional greenway system. Also, just finished up what's the first of what's going to be several kids' playground areas. The HOA fees over here are really economical. $53 per month gets you access to all of these incredible amenities. But here's the really cool part. The Point is also planning retail space right over here on this 12-acre section located at the corner of Quarry Road and US 401. Upon full build out, The Point is going to have around 500 single-family homes in addition to just over 300 townhomes. Based on the plans that I've seen over here, there's going to be quite a bit of open space planned for the neighborhood. There's several ponds over here located throughout the community that are within view of the walking trails that encircle the entire perimeter of the community. Wondering what the area surrounding The Point is like? Well, just about 8 minutes away in downtown Rolesville, they're literally transforming this area right before our eyes. Let me quickly highlight some of the spots over here in Cobblestone Village that you got to check out. Currently under construction over here is Mezzacalito Grill, where work is continuing on what's promising to be an incredible rooftop bar. I can't wait to check this place out when they open. Here I took a quick sneak peek into the future restaurant interior. A few steps away, Pixel's Bar and Arcade with some really cool 80s games and a full bar recently opened. The owner let me take a quick sneak peek inside. I can't wait to come back during regular business hours to play some of these awesome video and pinball games like I did way back when before my hair got a little bit gray. Adjacent to Pixels is Artesian Bar and Cheese. They got 20 rotating taps and a large assortment of various cheeses. This is a really great spot to go with friends and catch a game at the bar. There's tons of seating over here for a large group to come hang out. Further down the walkway, Local Charm Gifts recently opened. They got men's and women's clothing, plus, as the name implies, a lot of cool gifts that you're not going to find at some big box retail store. Just across the plaza, Wolfgang Bakery awaits. They have a ton of pet treats, and you can even buy outfits for your pets. They also even have desserts that are safe for your pets. And they also have a full array of on-site grooming. And the best part, all of this is less than 10 minutes from the point. Plus, all the major shopping over in nearby Wake Forest is under 20 minutes from the point. Hey guys, if you're enjoying this insider information, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button. Also, make a comment and let me know that you'd like a free copy of my 54-page buyer and seller guide, packed with exclusive market insights that you're not going to find anywhere else. Back over at the point, homes are already being snapped up. The interest level in this place is through the roof. I've already been getting calls from buyers reaching out with questions about the community, which is pretty understandable because over here you've got this perfect combination of location and amenities, and a lot of variety in the home styles. So if you're even remotely interested, I'd recommend checking it out ASAP. Now guys, I don't have a crystal ball obviously, but based on the amount of incentives being offered over here right now, you might not want to wait. Right now, you can get into a home over here that rivals the price of rent. For a limited time, builders are offering a 30-year fixed rate mortgage at 3.99%. That's nearly 2 points lower than the lowest interest rate on the market right now. Plus, they're also offering builder paid closing costs and design center incentives up to $20,000. And if you call me, Michael Sanders, I can get you some incentives that I promise you, you're not going to be able to get on your own. If you think buying a home over in the point might be a possibility, but maybe you'd like some more information on some of the amazing new projects that are going on right in the town of Rolesville, then you're absolutely going to watch this video on all the epic projects coming soon. And whatever you do, guys, if you're considering buying or selling a Raleigh area home, make the smart move. Get Mike and get moved.